You think they've been here before?
To Quebec?
Quebec or Canada? Instead of pretending like you're cooking, you want to cut some asparagus?
Yes, chef. We love meeting people. Wow.
We love people.
Yeah.
Where do you think your guests are coming from?
I'm hoping Southern. Oh, Texas would be sick.
First time in Montreal. So excited.
Hello, hello.
Hi, guys! Welcome!
Oh, this is going to be fun.
Where are you flying from?
I'm flying from Houston, Texas.
Oh, yeah, I was hoping for Texas.
People tend to remember my mom. She does the entertaining for the first part when the guests arrive.
Martinis.
Excuse me.
I'm excited. It's my first time trying poutine.
Welcome to Quebec.
Hey, I have her tattooed on my shoulder. I got the classic mom.
Him, his brother, and his sister are just simply amazing. But I am blessed. Oh, yeah.
Ready?
So glad it was you guys when I opened the door.
Yeah.
Really.
And don't forget your doggy bag.
Thank you.
Thank you so much,
I'm happy we met these guys, and they were amazing. I'm gonna clean for the show, but I hate doing dishes.